In 1932, Australia went to war. Not against the country, not against the shore, but 20,000 birds running wild outdoors. And the emo said, you want some more?
Farmers crying, crops getting torn. Australian fields looking all worn. Government said we'll settle the score. Send soldiers out with a military force.
Machine guns loaded, aimed at the sky. Feathers flying, but the birds don't die. They scatter fast, they multiply. Emus moving like tactical spies.
Weeks go by, months run dry. Government waves the white flag high.
Oh yeah, Australia's absurd.